You want to add a background image to a Google Docs document? Sadly, Google Docs doesn't offer that functionality. But wait, before you leave, I'm Greco from Saperis, and in this video, I'll show you a hack how you can, anyway, sort of add a background image to a Google Docs document. Would you mind subscribing to my YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below? Because twice a week I publish video tutorials about Google Docs, Google Sheets, and so on, and I want you to benefit from these videos. To get started, head over to a Google Docs document, and I'm going to insert a drawing, a new drawing here, and I want an image. Let's go to Google Drive, share it with me. Nope, share drives, that's what I wanted. There you go, and then there should be images, and this is what we want to use. It's going to insert it. There you go. Let's make this a little bit smaller. Okay, now I'm going to add some text over this image. Like so. Let's write something like, learn to master Google Docs. You can go ahead and change the format, the styling. I'm going to give it a text color of white and make this much bigger. Let's say 30. Let's give it a bit more, 36. Okay. And now I also want a second text box, which will be down here. Your, I don't know, saperis YouTube channel. Also this, we're going to give it a different styling, make it bigger. Okay. Just to demonstrate this, let's save and close and see what happens. There you go. So now you have an image with writing on it. You could write something else on it and it kind of like looks like a watermark. But of course, this is a hack. So if what you're looking for is a background image, kind of like a watermark, and then you can have the normal Google Docs functionality of writing over it, commenting, suggesting things, well, Google Docs just isn't there yet, but there has been a lot of requests. I've looked this up on the Google support page, so I do hope that Google will provide this functionality in the future, but until that is provided by Google, this is a possible hack on how you can add a background image and also write on it in a Google Docs document. Leave me a comment below if there's another topic in Google Docs or any of the other Google applications that you would want me to cover, something that you don't know how it works, or maybe also a specific question about what I just showed you right now. Please go ahead and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any of the video tutorials I publish.